So next question that is asked in test series 6 for IM from the subject transducers is for 2 marks. It is from the topic measurement of non-electrical quantities. So the question is, so it's a multiple choice question. It's not a fill in the blank. So a thermometer having a time constant of 0.1 second is suddenly dipped in a liquid at temperature of 75 degrees centigrade. So the steady state error and the dynamic error in measuring this reading at 0.3 second is. So we know that thermometer is a first order system. So given thermometer is a first order system. So and we know that from the control system that all first order system will track my input, which is step input here. So it is suddenly changed. It is suddenly moved from one temperature to a second temperature, which is of 75 degrees. So it's a step input. So we have a system here which is thermometer, which is a first order system, and we are giving a step input. So the output will always be tracking the input. So here there will be no error. So all the first order systems will always reach the steady state value, which is the given input value. So here the given input value is a step change, which is suddenly being changed to 75 degrees centigrade. So here all the first order systems for a step change will track the steady input. So there will be no error the output. So steady state error is 0. So the steady state error is 0, and we are asked to find the second component, which is the dynamic error. So we know the dynamic error is given by the expression e power minus ts. So here it is t by tau, actually it should be, which is tau is nothing but the time constant of the system. So we are asked to find what is the dynamic error at 0.3. So we have e power minus 0.3 by 0.1, where 0.1 is the time constant and 0.3 is the time at which we are asked to find the error. So here we get the expression as 0.497 degrees centigrade. So this is the output or the error. So this is my input, 75 degrees centigrade. So what is happening is something like this, where at 5 tau my system will reach 75 degrees centigrade. So now at 0.3 here somewhere my system is having an error of 0.4, which is nothing but the dynamic error, which will die down to 0 after some time. So here it is 0 and 0.497. So here it is, you can see the nearest option is key is D. So the correct option is key is D.